I don't know how to start this vlog.
Hey guys, Shadakshi Mishra in Bangalore.
Exactly. We're back.
We're back. We're back.
Did you guys do? I've never recorded an intro, so people don't know what's actually going on in the vlog. Kabita. I'm in Bangalore. Yeah. And I'm staying with Devika Preeta. We are back in the order.
We are so back.
Yes, so back.
It's classic Bangalore weather. It's raining. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
But we wanted to walk.
Yeah.
But that's hard.
Yeah.
Even with the rain.
I like the light. Wow.
Welcome to civilization again. You've been hibernating for 5 months.
I believe
she compares this to Gurgaon, bro.
How does it feel?
To look at so many people at once.
I have like one question. Yeah, I feel like do you guys face the Manipal situation where you are going somewhere? It's just there. It's okay, they can hear me.
Okay.
So like does it happen ki you see mutuals everywhere?
Oh yeah, in Indranagar we bump into every motherfucker that we know.
Indranagar is the place to be, so everyone's coming here to chill.
Exactly.
But we
Yeah,
live
पूरे
here.
internet को बता दो अपना address. So we are finally got a seat after a lot of hustle.
On a Thursday evening.
On Thursday evening.
We are on the shady.
45 minutes. What names?
Can you just tell?
So there's a certain Mr. X, right? That I'm madly in love with. And then the latest we know of Mr. X is that Mr. X has a girlfriend who works in a random company.
Yeah.
And because we had been talking till December or whatever, not really, whatever, I thought it's a recent girlfriend. Today we went to
No, wait. It gets really realistic. Keep watching. You must have done this in your life.
It's Indian Lego.
Amazon पे संस्कृत है.
My birthday gift. Thank you, Preeta. Thank you. Yeah, that's exactly what I grew up on.
Doing.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm aware. You should get a safety lamp.
What? GM. We are going for our breakfast. Preeta is sleeping. That's why she's not here. We ditched her.
We are going to Sri Udupi Park for open butter masala dosa and filter coffee.
Exactly. We love that.
Take a picture of me.
That's a video.
Yeah. Masala dosa.
That's all butter.
And that's all butter.
That's insane.
Coffee.
And this is a closed button to that.
It's the same amount of butter and aloo in it. You just can't see it.
We had a very great lunch. No, we had a breakfast. Now we're chilling on the terrace. And one sec, let me show you a tour. Devika Subhash here, chilling with us. We have a foosball table where Devika lost a match.
Even prettier in the evening because we can switch on the fairy light.
And Preeta is up now. We'll go for lunch somewhere in some time. We are going. Yeah, you never introduced yourself because subah mein, you were there.
Hi guys, I'm housing this woman today.
Exactly. So we are now going to. Ooh, look who's here. We are going for lunch and we're all looking absolute smash.
Delicious.
Exactly.
time.
Exactly.
Oh, I thought
So-
you were going to say we all look like Glen Cupcake.
Oh no.
Right, we are.
Yeah, I have a blueberry tart. This is giving red velvet muffin.
I'm.
You're a pistachio macaron.
Yeah, right. Okay. Exactly. Let's go.
He has a right. Come.
Okay, let's go. Our Uber is here. Uber Auto. Bye. Look at that.
Camera, I'm so bad at that. We are going to Glen.
trying to order our food and we are all going through the menu. And it's so funny because we can't decide what to eat.
I can decide. I just didn't. I decided not to decide.
Of course.
But now I have no choice left.
Exactly.
Should we try one?
I love
Yeah,
being of
Red
no
pesto
help.
that I tried last time. It was good. Because it was bland. So if you're going for bland anyway, might as well go white sauce.
Why are we getting
See, that's how
bland
easy the
shit?
process
What?
is.
My main.
Yeah, so you gotta digest.
Okay, have it. Approved?
It's a white chocolate.
It's the white chocolate. No, but like that flavor of lavender.
The flavor and also the fluffiness of the mousse.
Yeah.
Ah,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
You can see like pink flowers from the metro.
Yeah, at the metro station.
5:30.
And do you want to tell the vlog where we are going?
We're going to a museum.
Yeah, and then we'll be meeting Roshni, Roshni Pingu.
Roshni Pingle, she's dead. She's dying.
She's dying. She is very,
She's in the
very.
hospital, actually.
Yeah, pray for her. We don't want her to be #want to soon. No. By the time I post this vlog, she'll be fine. She'll be running around Bangalore, guys. She'll be fine. Anyway, yeah. So
And then today we're ending at Chillungs. She's gonna see Chillungs today.
exactly, I'm going to Chillungs. We got this for Roshni and her family. Shout out to Pingle household. I'm going
We're
there
gonna
for
take a Pingle picture today.
They
exactly.
fully shut it at bucks. If it
Oh.
was weekend, it would be $300.
Oh, so yeah, that's the plan for our museum where we don't know if we'll be able to make it. But it's already
Find out with
4:23.
us.
Yeah.
This is like a 1 hour activity.
Caught lacking.
ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ
You hear the sound?
Yeah.
The sound of music.
Sound of music. Joy.
Complete?
What?
I
No,
call
I don't know the
myself
lyrics.
far, a long, long way to run.
I just know Doremi for Solati.
So I need to put
Oh wait, I think what you should do is take a selfie because the lighting here is great.
We did that. Oh, you mean a normal front camera? Okay.
A front.
The museum is closing in half an hour, but yeah, pictures are important. It's too hot. Too hot. Too hot in here.
Indian music experience.
My dole, shole, like my fat looks like just.
Oh, whoa, Jimbo. Crazy.
Damn. Let's go.
My God.
This is like tunak moment.
Yeah, literally.
You're allowed to sit in there.
She's probably not, but it's okay.
Right.
भैया थोड़ा गाना बजा सकते
Drone interception. Never mind.
That's crazy. Cola very tea? Girl, you're South Indian. You can do better than this.
Okay,
Remember the lyrics.
Just start the lyrics, that's it.
What? Eyes, meter,
I want to hear now.
For soup boys, we don't have a choice.
I think Raga was correct.
Right.
Shruti.
Guys, okay, enough for today. Let's go. What? Wedding songs?
Bihari wedding.
Are they singing in Maithili? Now that we're out of the music museum, what do you feel different?
I feel like I am a different person now.
Right?
I've been cultured
Right?
early.
Right.
From Kishore Kumar to MS Subbulakshmi.
Devika Subhash, what difference do you feel after visiting
So
the...
these are the people that have donated to this establishment.
Okay.
So Doberman Security Solutions.
Guys, guess what? We are at the Pingle household. Wait, I can't zoom the front cam. Roshni Pingu is here. Hi, she's very sick, but yeah. So
We just picked one. Vanilla caramel frosted.
Oh.
Then there's chocolate.
look at the
There's
scene
a coffee
outside.
rat which looks like a coffee mug.
That's so cute.
Try that.
You know I'm not kidding here.
Yeah.
This is like straight up.
Is this in the vlog?
No, the
No,
audio will
no.
be gone.
Okay.
And there won't be any audio.
Yeah. Sir.
I'll just put that part where you say, "Wow."
You would like to?
I would like to pull another dad moment once again and tell us that we're late.
Oh. These are fish magnets. Nuggets.
Nuggets.
That Roshni got me from a country
Turkey.
that can't be.
Oh.
But they're actually 6 magnets.
Oh, that's so cute.
And you can put them in different shapes.
And they look like kitchen tiles also, like you know that kitchen.
Yeah, like
aesthetic.
that's
Yeah.
Turkey's food
Yeah,
shape.
Turkey, yeah.
Like
Turkey
ceramic
styles,
tiles and
yeah,
rugs
ceramic
and stuff.
Rugs.
Rugs.
Oh, you hear what you want to hear.
I heard the same thing.
I am sick and Sadakshi came all the way home to meet me.
All the way from
Pingles.
Nashik.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait. Pingles.
I was about to kill you.
Yeah, of course. And people come here.
Oh. Surround sound.
Bitches on my phone. No, that's a different stuff.
It's actually very wow.
5'3".
Bye.
5'4".
Bye. Oh, they're kissing. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
You're 5'5".
Okay, bye.
For the fourth time today.
Yeah. We are actually going to Chennai now and we have left Roshni's. I keep forgetting. Why am I laughing? Why am I laughing?
I'm laughing because she has a dead impression.
We don't say that stuff on camera.
I don't do it, it's these two. They have issues.
Anyway, we are going to Chillans after this, and they are very unserious about my video. They don't realize it's such a big deal that I've traveled all the way from a different state to meet them, and they're not taking me seriously.
We went to a museum with you. We traveled 50 minutes to come here, and we're traveling more to take you somewhere else.
Why?
She went to Jayapur for Roshni.
Exactly, it's not for me. They're not taking me seriously. I traveled.
I genuinely did because I thought she would have more baklava, but she snapped us.
Yeah, she went for the baklava, but got mangoes instead.
The mango was fine. Yeah, and you felt it.
I'm not posted anywhere. I just want this for myself.
That's how they get you.
I'm eating this hot dog.
What? Thought.
Okay. Can. Long legs are a huge problem.
Right.
She walks too fast.
Right.
Have to keep catching up.
Right. How do you feel?
Last time we didn't have mangoes.
Are you feeling blessed?
I am feeling like
You're back.
बैंगलोर में
हल्ला हो गया है.
इसलिए तो सुबह से तूफान ही चल रहे हैं.
Exactly. You guys are not going to believe this. Who's next to me? After so long. Can I switch on the flash on her face?
Red eyeliner. Yeah, I will do it.
Her flash is on low mode. Low power.
I got it.
Yeah. No.
जैसे नहीं था mood.
Oh my god. Look at us.
Finally.
Triple sexually.
Yes.
Back. So back. So
So
back.
back.
Laksh. I miss up here.
I also miss up here.
You're right. The driver's seat of an auto.
I feel Canadian as fuck.
Don't say that out loud.
Hey gang.
I'm the vlog.
Long time.
Whoa.
Abhisma is actually driving the auto.
भाई घी पूरी इडली तूने मुझे सुबह सपने दिखा दिए थे मैं इतना रेडी था ना कि
खा
3-4
लेंगे
इडली
भाई
खाई
घी
है।
बड़ी तट्टे इडली.
Okay, Laksh, give me tea. I'll not be recording it, of course.
You're on the vlog.
You're on
Smile,
the
you're
vlog,
on
of course.
YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
तो भाई का बहुत बुरी तरीके से कट गया.
Huh? Loved it. Everything was great. Feasted. Damn.
Ate it up, bro. No crumbs.
Demolished. Crumbs are left.
Crumbs are left, yeah. That's okay. Very
So
nice.
how does it feel to meet Satakshi Mishra after one?
Very nice.
Husband, wife,
Reunited.
Gym couple reunited.
Momo chash and
Chocolate.
chocolava cake. 50 rupees. बैंगलोर में मिल जाए 50 रुपीज़ का तो मैं 10 खा लूँ.
Seven is actually बहुत जगह है.
हाँ यहाँ पे भी है I think.
Also, Glenn's is 25 rupees starts. I'm pretty sure they will have.
हमारे ऑफिस लाइक
hurt Devika's head, and she's here.
How did it hurt? यहाँ पे.
I think it's yeah, it's right. Do it again.
Yeah, मैं ऐसे चल रही थी and then just
Yeah. This is what happens when you're like 5'10".
It must have caused the tree also a lot of pain.
Exactly.
Sorry tree. Also I
Right.
forgive you tree.
Right. Hi. What's up?
What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm here and I did not want to tell you
Yeah,
guys.
we wanted to. So she has told a lot of people, but like the only people she has not told, because we wanted to surprise you. I feel like you guys would have had a banger surprise reaction.
Oh, you know, fuck Barish, you're coming.
Love you.
Getting ready. Chalo, bye bye.
But how will you convince Yves then?
Don't tell Yves though. Like that's why we called you. We were like, so what will you? How will you tell Yves?
Just be like, chalo, let's be like, I'll manage, yeah.
See you.
Getting ready, coming.
Do a fit check. Let's go. It's giving very Sade golden aesthetic.
This is Shadakshi Mishra Janpath
Yes.
that I
sir.
went with her.
Of course.
So it's technically mine.
Exactly. Yeah. Preeta.
Namma oru Bangalore.
Okay.
No auto.
Show us your outfit.
Into an auto gang.
The highlight of the outfit is, of course, yeah, and the beautiful, yeah, beautiful.
Dubai.
Ooh,
No, no,
man.
Tareen ki video mein bhi tha. So I also have to do this.
Yeah.
So I had this mama. I have this mama. He's a so when I went to meet him in Dubai,
Yeah.
he's actually working in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
So he was very guilty
Yeah.
that he couldn't spend time with me. So
Guilt shopping.
Yes.
Guilt make them.
initially, first he had asked me, so what are you gonna do here? And I was like, oh, I'll shop, I'll buy some things. Like, what are you gonna buy? I couldn't think of anything, so I said, I'll probably get new Crocs. He took me to the store. He's like, I'll buy you whatever you want.
Yeah.
Whatever. There's no budget. These were $200, by the way.
Yeah.
There was no budget. He could have gotten me anything.
And he
But
said-
he was hell bent on Crocs.
Because
He was like, you said Crocs. So let's get you Crocs.
You could have just said a MacBook and you would have gotten it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you could
he
have
would
said, you could have said Dyson Airwrap.
I could have said anything. And I'm stuck with pink platform Crocs. And the thing is, I don't like these that much. But
No, they're
then,
great.
I like them.
nice, yeah. But at the store, I was like,
Damn shit.
yeah.
Type shit.
If you do a front camera, you. Okay, I'll log you. Hey
Hey
guys.
gang, this is my outfit.
Woohoo.
Your host. And yeah. This is from Gurgaon street shop. This is also from a street shop. This is from a Nashik street shop. Yeah, and these are Converse.
That
my
she took
outfits.
15 minutes to wear, so that's that.
Yeah, so that just adds to the value.
Value what?
Converse.
Guys, find an auto.
Yeah, guys are getting late actually. That looks so cute.
Yeah, it's a D.
Yeah.
For
That's the only
Dubai.
That's the
The
only
D-shape
D.
wearing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this my maa dalega.
Is my
Front
makeup
camera
too?
is no. The front camera is kinda.
Come here. I just want to know if my makeup's too matte. It's not right.
No, it's never too matte.
It's never too matte. Who is matte even?
Right.
How does it matter even?
We are struggling right now because.
हमें समझा. We just did this one.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to vlog here.
Are we inconveniencing you?
Yeah.
Is this an inconvenience for you?
Yeah.
Bhuvan Nune, we reached.
People from half the city away are here, and we have to. Yeah, just because it's raining. Shout out to Bangalore weather. How do you guys not have umbrellas? Where is your?
Same. Mine's also in the gym. I don't go to a gym.
Anyway, that's my makeup here. You need to stop. I feel like I'm sitting next to my sasu ma.
So I'm mother.
Fuck off! That keeps talking like controversial shit that I can't put on camera. So I feel like most of this vlog is just going to be like, abrupt cuts.
Maybe you should stop doing controversial shit.
It's you who's doing it.
I'm only saying things you're doing.
Sure.
Okay.
Of course. Uh-huh. Right.
I had beautiful leopard print heels to go with it, but I can't wear it. Like, that's on you. Then you know what? You are the bad curse. Every time I'm with you, my heels break.
When
The
was last-
farewell
oh, yeah.
situation, it was on the fucking.
So anyway, changing from her shoes to her very hot leopard print heels.
He's here.
And a cab is here. Cab auto, whatever.
Jaldi aa.
I'm so on game. This was a leopard print party. I will be saying my specs are leopard, my heels are leopard, my.
Okay,
Yeah,
come here.
yeah,
Your bag
okay.
is insane, very hot. Look at her heels. This goes so well with the outfit.
Yeah.
Reached the place where you're supposed to come in this much waterlogging, by the way. This is Bangalore for you. What? And we partners. How do you feel to be back? Back on Bhai Beaches vlog. Back on Bhai Beaches vlog. Arjun, how do you feel to be back on the vlog?
We're back. We're so back.
Go, can you go pick the music? Go to that iPad.
Bro, it has control over me. I cannot.
Yeah, it has control
Like,
over you.
I will lose myself.
Yeah.
Like, I will lose my personality.
553. Get a fucking life.
You chugged it? Why would you chug that big of a glass of beer?
Chug it, chug.
तेरे नाम पे What you watching?
I love how she knows the characters.
Everybody knows Chota Bheem character.
So guys, we are unboxing Meghna biryani. We have boneless pieces. We have the biryani gravy here with us. We have raita here. Oh shit! Rice bag. We got plates and spoons. Biryani that brings Bengaluru together.
Yeah.
She called me chapati, okay? I think you are better. She called me chapati. One takes care.
I can't look at this.
Can you put your face mask on?
I'm having biryani. Still. Fuck off! He's mine! I hate the show.